fuck him. I mean, you look good.
Y'all in love now?
Yeah, I'm in love a little bit.
Am I cute enough to have like a one-nighter? What
Subscribe. Okay. Miami.
What's good, YouTube? I'm Sadiddy Boy SKUDWAYNE, aka the producer that turned up on goddamn YouTube, aka the hardest with a goddamn camera. So look, bro, it's a Sadiddy Boy summer, bro. If you hear anybody saying that, they got it from me, bro. It's a Sadiddy Boy summer. So look, this is what we finna do. We finna have on this ski mask right here, right? And I'm gonna ask girls to rate my voice. Do they think I'm handsome under this mask? And I'm gonna take my mask off and I'm gonna see what they say. You feel me? I already know they gonna want me, so I ain't tripping. You feel me? I already know they finna say I'm handsome. You feel me? We gon'. Okay. Shit, who the hell we here with?
Joe. Maya. Jaya. Kaya.
Alright, so look. This is what y'all gotta do. Y'all gotta rate me, like rate my voice under this mask. And I'm gonna take the mask off. We gonna see if I gain points or lose points. Rate me off my voice.
A voice? Yeah. 6.
6.
Say a 7.
7.
5.
5.
Talk a little bit more.
Shit, what you want me to say?
I give you a 9.
A 9? Alright. I'm about to take the mask off. Alright.
2.
2? I know she lying. She in love.
We lose 2 points.
I'm saying.
I ain't 2.
Now the mask.
I'm gonna give you an 8.
8. Thank you, bro. Like, you feel me?
I give you a 6.
A 6?
What'd I give you the first time?
You gave me a 1.
I ain't giving you no. You cute when you just look into your eyes, but yeah.
Bro, I look good.
Yeah, okay.
Like,
I'll give you an 8. I'll give you an 8. Yeah, I'll give you 8. I'll give you 8.
Appreciate that.
Okay. I couldn't see. I mean, she playing with you.
Yeah.
I was playing on your time. My apologies. I give you 8.
I appreciate it. Yeah,
how old are you?
old enough.
Old enough. He's 16.
I'm 22. You see?
You ain't know.
Bro, I look young. I'm really 22. I'm older than all y'all over here.
How old are you again?
I'm 22.
What year was you born?
98.
He might be.
He know his year too.
Right. He been practicing. Yeah.
I'm saying though, like I look good.
Yeah, you give you an 8.
You could be mine. Can I make you mine? You single?
I am single.
So I'm saying, can I make you mine? You look good too.
Thank you. I don't know about you make me good. I don't want to be tied down.
I ain't gonna tell you that. I ain't like that. I'm real chill. You feel me?
Yeah, give me your number then.
I say less. Yeah, who the hell we here with?
You here with Kira, Jessica,
Where y'all from?
Atlanta.
Alright, so look, I want y'all to rate me based off the sound of my voice. Do y'all think I'm handsome based off the sound of my voice?
Say something?
What you want me to say?
Nah, yeah, I fuck with it. I think 7.5.
7.5.
8.
8.
7.5.
Alright, I'm gonna take my mask off. Y'all tell me how I look. Y'all tell me if I gain points or lost points, alright?
Alright.
Alright.
I would fuck him. I mean, he look good. Yeah, he look good.
Y'all fuck me?
Give him a rate, though. Give him a rate. Give me 9. I give you.
I'm saying though, like, what you trying to do tonight though? You said you would fuck me, so you feel me?
I didn't say that. I did say that, but I'm always talking my shit, so.
Alright, so shit, I'm Sadiddy Boy SKUDWAYNE. Who the hell we here with?
Nay.
Alright, we here with Nate. Ain't gonna lie, Nate beautiful. You can do a 360. Ooh. Little T, so look. Alright, this the question though. If I look good, can I have you?
Nah.
I already know they gonna want me, so I ain't tripping. You feel me? I already know they finna say I'm handsome. You feel me?
I'm not gonna hold, no.
You single?
I am.
But what if I look good though? Do you think I look good based off the sound of my voice?
I don't know. Show me.
Alright.
You don't look like. You don't look like how you right. You don't. But still, no.
I look good?
You look cute, yeah.
Alright, say that. That's all I need. Where you from though?
I'm from Rochester, New York.
Alright, shit. Who the hell we here with?
Jara.
Christy.
Alright, so look. Where y'all from?
North Carolina.
North Carolina.
I got family from NC. So look, this is the question. I want y'all to rate me based off the sound off my voice. Yeah, like, do y'all think I'm handsome under this mask?
You sound like a baby.
Yeah, you do sound like a baby, but you
sound like a baby.
Nah, I ain't no baby. I'm probably older than y'all. Y'all young.
How old are you?
Word.
Y'all young.
Okay,
Who young?
your voice, you got a New York accent. We'll give you a 9.
Nah, a 9?
Yeah, we'll give you a 9.
I'll give you a 10.
A 10? Alright, so if I'm a 10 now, that means when I take my mask off, you're gonna fall in love.
Oh, no.
Oh, it's hard for me to fall in love, so I don't know about that.
You single?
No.
You single?
I'm married.
Alright, so look, we just finna see. So
You got some money?
yeah, I got money. What's up?
Oh, well, we might can do something.
Yeah, I got money.
You got some money? We
Yeah.
might can do something. How old are you?
I'm old enough.
Oh.
I'm of age.
Oh, you older than 18?
Yeah.
Oh.
I'm way older than that.
Oh.
What's way older?
I'm 22.
Oh.
Boy, you talking about way older.
Yeah, so I'm saying though, like, so when I take this mask off, I can have both of y'all.
Oh. That's my niece. That's nasty.
I ain't tried that yet.
Fact. She ain't tried it. We can try something new.
Oh, okay.
All right, so y'all ready?
Yeah, we're ready. Okay, you can chill. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. All right, so what you rate me now?
You a 10?
A 10?
I gave you a 10 already.
I appreciate that. So I'm a 20 then.
Okay, you can be a 20 if you want to be.
Yeah. Goddamn, who the hell we here with?
Nate Foreign from Cleveland.
Hi, girl. Coco from Cleveland.
All right, so look, this is a question. I want you to rate me off the sound of my voice. Then I'm gonna take my mask off. Then let me know if I gain points or lost points.
8.
8 off the sound of my voice.
8.
Yeah, like an 8.5.
8. All right.
Y'all got going on, bro?
All right, so I'm about to take my mask off. Y'all let me know.
I'm scared.
9.
10.
10. All right. Am I cute enough to have like a one-nighter?
Huh?
What about me? This is my bro right here. This is Kingston. My name is Sean.
Bro, but you got it.
He asking the question though. What you say?
I'm saying, am I cute enough to have a one-nighter?
Do me like that, bro.
Yeah, but you ain't gonna fuck me though. You cute though.
All right, I'll take it. Shit, appreciate it.
Yeah,
All right, shit, goddamn. Who the hell we here with, goddamn?
Maya. Nakari.
Erica.
All right, so look, bro. Y'all finna goddamn rate me how y'all think I look off my goddamn voice.
Oh, you're 7.
7?
8. 8.
8. So you think I'm an 8 by the way I'm talking?
Yeah.
7.
All right, so goddamn, y'all let me know if I gained some goddamn points or if I lost some points. I'm about to take off my mask, all right?
Oh, shit.
Nine.
I gained points?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can get some points. I'll give you an 8.
8, I'll take it.
Oh yeah, you a 9.
9.
Oh yeah, you a 9.
Yeah, stop playing. So, all right, shit, who the hell we here with?
Serenity.
All right, we here with Serenity Finance. I ain't gonna lie, you bad. You could do a 360.
Yeah.
You can do a 360? Or you good?
Yeah, I'm good.
All right, so look, I really hope this go well because you look real good. I want you to rate my voice so far. Like, do you think I'm handsome in this mask?
Yeah.
So what you rate me?
About 8.
8. All right, so I'm gonna take the mask off. Then you let me know if I gain points or lost points.
Okay.
All right.
You gained points.
I gain points? Yeah, let's go, bruh. Let's go. All right, shit, goddamn. Who the hell we here with?
Sharice. Payne, it's my motherfucking birthday, bitch. June 5th or nothing.
Yeah, so she gonna be lit tonight.
Yeah, period. And it's Michaela. Definitely.
Goddamn, where y'all from?
Dallas, Texas. I live in Atlanta right now. But with the A. From Dallas. But yeah.
All right, so look, this is the question. I want y'all to rate me based off the sound of my voice.
I was gonna say, nigga, you got on a mask.
Then wait. Then listen. When I take the mask off, y'all let me know if I gain points or lost points.
Okay. Wait.
Okay.
So rate him with the mask on.
Shit, what y'all want me to say?
I'll give you a good 7.
7?
I'll give you 8.
8?
I was gonna say 8.
Yeah.
All right, so y'all ready to see my face?
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right.
I'ma give you a 9.
Okay. You talking about?
I'ma give you a 9.
I gain points. I gain 1.
You gain points.
What I gotta do to get to 10? Get you?
Shit. Yeah.
Can you get me?
I can't.
Right here, she hard to get,
Can you
bitch.
get me?
Real hard. You can't trap this hoe.
Hey, all right, so look. Shit, who the hell we here with?
Mariah.
Kaylin.
All right, so look. Based off the sound of my voice, do you think I'm handsome?
You sound nice looking.
You sound okay.
All right, so I'm gonna take my mask off. Y'all let me know, am I still handsome? All right.
Okay.
Y'all in love now?
Yeah, I'm in love a little bit.
You in love?
You look cute.
I appreciate it. Say less. What you rate me though? What you rate me?
You like this 8.
An 8, I'll take it.
I'm gonna give you a 12.
A 12? All right, say less.
Yeah.
I just was out here, bruh. Turned up. You feel me? Y'all boys support my videos, support my beats. I'ma keep going. This is a Diddy Boy summer, man. Listen, message to the youth. Everybody got an opinion, bro. Not everybody gonna want you. Not everybody gonna think you cute. Not everybody gonna think you the best. But there's always gonna be somebody out there for you. And the people that's out there for you, you gotta accept them. Love them. I'm gone.